What's up, guys? I got a package in the mail today from ECS Tuning. Now, inside the package should be my paddle ship extensions for my Golf Alltrack. Let's open her up, see what we got, and see if we like what we got. Alright, these Johns here are made of a pretty heavy duty aluminum, like they're not bending at all. I mean, I got a pretty good grip here and I'm not getting anything. But very nice. These are black. They come in silver, or I guess a machine silver, and a red finish. I like everything black and hidden, so I decided to try to match up with the factory stuff. So what these do is, if you can see right here, there's a little pin. And what happens is you slide this right over your existing factory button on the back of the steering wheel. On the other side of that pin is a set screw. And the set screw is a little Allen wrench that was included with the stickers. And what you do is you tighten that down and it will lock onto the factory button on the back of your wheel and should not go anywhere. So we will go try that, see how they fit. Alright, so let's show you how easy these are to put on your wheel. So here's the stock location right here. Here is the paddle shifter. There is the pin that will hold it to the paddle shifter. There is the little set screw that you turn with the Allen wrench they gave you. And you basically just get it lined up there. I have it semi-tightened down already just so I could do this with the camera in my hand. So there it's on. You grab your little Allen wrench. Where are you at? There you are. There's my little Allen wrench. And you go find a good way to do this. So, and you put the Allen wrench in the hole. If you can get it to go to the hole, go to your hole. That's your hole. Come on, find it. You know you want to go. You know. This is so tough with a camera in your hand, by the way. Up there it is. You just turn that little knob as tight as you can. Well, I'm going to make mine pretty tight because I'm scared they're going to fall off, but they're probably not going to. And there you have it. That is solid. Like, I am... Autofocus isn't going to keep up with me here. Let me refocus real quick. Here we go. As you can see, I am jerking these around a little bit. They are not popping off. I'm trying to pop them off. In fact, I will probably break my stock button off the wheel before I break them off the wheel or pop them off my stock button. But, damn, that's really nice. This is what they look like from the driver's view. As you can see, they blend into the steering wheel very nicely. This is the Golf Alltrack steering wheel, so it's a little different than the GTI and the Golf R. So make sure if you're buying the paddle shift extensions, no matter what the brand is, they all do not fit each steering wheel. You have to make sure they fit your steering wheel. They are different in many ways. But otherwise, very happy. As you can see, I can now engage my shifting wherever my hand is on the steering wheel, which is usually down here, which was kind of not that big of a deal. But if you're turning the steering wheel, sometimes it's hard to downshift or upshift. You can use the slapstick as well, but it's easier just to do the steering wheel, especially now because we have the extensions. But all in all, that's all I have to say. Thanks for checking this out, and good luck.